Okay, here we are, and let's see. Today I'm going to show you something that can help you on your being alone at home in these hard and difficult times we are having without classes the way you used to, with your friends, with your teachers. So you have to try to be on your own, but do not forget about English, right? Okay, so we have a website today to show you, British Council Learn English Teens, where you can practice a little bit of grammar, vocabulary, and the 4 skills: reading, speaking, writing, and listening. Okay, let's have a look to the website. Here you have it. Okay, Learn English Teens British .britishcouncil.org. Okay, the 4 skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Okay, let's have a look on the reading, and we can choose your level here. Okay, beginner, intermediate, elementary, intermediate. Let's choose intermediate. Okay, and okay, an Olympic block, for instance. And let's see what happens. So you have a picture first. Okay, and you have a text you can read, right? You read the text, and then they suggest some. Oh, here is the opinion of several users, but you can try to do the exercises you have. So understanding exercises, so a matching exercise. Okay, so these are the characters you had. You can do the exercise, and then at the end you check your results. Okay, and it's not going well. It's too slow today. Okay, but at the end you can check on your results, and you do it again if you're not comfortable enough. Okay, let's see another one for listening, for instance. Listening, we have here listening. What do they suggest us? Okay, elementary, for instance. Okay, I hope your level is a little bit better than this, about free time. And so they will suggest something for you to listen to. Okay, so it's listening, so you're not going to watch anything, but just listen. Okay, it's a phone call.
Good morning, Brownton Swimming Pool.
Hello. I'd like some information about the Water Polo Club.
Yes, of course. We have an under-14s club.
Okay, so it means that afterwards some exercises will be suggested for you to do. So understanding, gap filling, and true false this time. Okay, so you keep on trying all the other skills. If you prefer a little bit of grammar, let's see intermediate. So conditionals, for instance, always a problem, especially when we're talking about third conditional. So they suggest a video for you to start, right? Okay. So let's see if we can see anything at all. Okay, please, will you help us on these? Okay, believe yes, the video is here. I hope, still thinking a little bit. So after the video, we will have some explanations on the content of this topic, grammar topic, after the video. And then again, you will have some exercises for you to solve. So the internet is not helping us today. So having a little bit of problem here. So, but no problem, we'll get to it on another time. If you prefer something on vocabulary, here we have, okay, just beginning vocabulary. I hope none of you will need it. So, several topics we have here. Okay, so very basic one, room. Okay, so I introduce you with some very basic words. I hope you're not going to do this one because it's too easy for you, but you can listen to the words, okay, which is very nice for you to practice a little bit. As you see, you have the alphabet here, so if you choose another letter, you will have other topics, right? Depends on the letter you choose, right? Okay, so let's get back here. I would love to show you a little bit more. Okay, maybe, okay, grammar again, intermediate again. Let's see if it goes along with us. Okay, intermediate. Here we go to the conditionals again. If we have some help here, okay, the video will. Okay, now we have it. Okay, at least we have some sound. I don't know if we're going to have some image. Please, come on. Okay, it is not helping us today. Doesn't matter. Okay, I think you got the point of what I wanted to show you today. And please use and abuse on this website because it will help you a lot. Okay, bye-bye. See you.